Okay, the fifth structure. Let's see the fifth structure. What is the structure? I am trying to. The structure is I am trying to. I am trying to plus V1 plus something. I am trying to plus V1 plus something. Let's see the usage of this structure. This structure is used to express an individual's effort or attempt to perform a action. The structure is used to express an individual's efforts or attempt to perform a specific action. Whatever you are trying to do or trying to say, or whatever the thing which you are going means which you are trying to do, it can be expressed with this structure. Okay, let's see some examples. I am trying to learn I am trying to learn SAP FICO module. I am trying to learn SAP FICO module. Next, I am trying to eat healthy food. I am trying to eat healthy food. I am trying to save more money. I am trying to save more money. Next, I am trying to be more patient. I am trying to be more patient. I am trying to do exercise every day. I am trying to improve my knowledge. I am trying to improve my knowledge. I am trying to quit smoking. I am trying to quit smoking. I am trying to participate in games. I am trying to participate in games. I am trying to teach him a lesson. I am trying to buy a new mobile. I am trying to buy a new mobile. I am trying to stop spending. I am trying to stop spending money. Okay. I am trying to be more mindful. I am trying to be more mindful of my thoughts. I am trying to let go of. I am trying to let go of just a minute. I am trying to let go of past habits. Sorry. Uh, I am trying to simplify my life. I am trying to simplify my life. I am trying to learn a new skill. I am trying to learn new skill. I am trying to stop my bad habits. One thing you must notice while using this structure, I am trying to, after we have to use V1, the first form of the verb, V1, the first form of the verb. Okay, I am trying to be more positive. I am trying to be more positive. I am trying to be more confident. I am trying to be more confident. I am trying to face. I am trying to face any kind of situation. I am trying to face any kind of situation. I am trying to be more adventurous. I am trying to be more adventurous. I am trying to be more creative. I am trying to be more productive. I am trying to be more productive. I am trying to improve my communication skills. I am trying to be more humble. I am trying to be more humble. I am trying to be more innovative. I am trying to be more innovative. I am trying to be more responsible. I am trying to be more responsible. Okay. Thank you. Let's meet in the next structure.